How to hold your yarn and hook. There are two predominant ways to hold your hook, the first being the knife grip, and the second being the pencil grip. Both of these should be pretty self-explanatory. The knife grip and the pencil grip. I personally crochet holding my hook in a knife grip. To hold my yarn, I will wrap my working yarn around my pinky and run it over my index finger. Wrapping my yarn around my pinky and grabbing it with my index finger. I also keep a firm hold on the base of my work as I crochet. As you practice, this will become more and more natural to you. And that's how you hold your hook and yarn.